Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this dark shadow glowing effect on Picsart. So here I've already on the Picsart application. You can start by scrolling down on the create page. You can just find the backgrounds here. I'm going to go with the color background and choose the black color. Okay, now once the background is set, you can just swipe through the toolbar at the button and tap on add a photo. And in here, choose a white color. So I'm going to just go with, okay, click on this white background, tap on add. Now once the white background is added, you can swipe and find the shape options, this one, and choose the rectangle one. So here, click on shape, sorry, choose the circle one, adjust the size. So just adjust the size to how you like it. I'm going to go with this. Now tap on a check icon. You can resize it again if you want to. And now add the photo again. So find the add photo options and add the photos that you want to edit. So I'm going to go put this photos right here. Okay, this one I think. Click on add. And now find the remove background options. The cut out and choose the person. Click on a check icon. So once the background is removed, you can just find effects, and here click on the colors and choose the black and white. Adjust it so that it go like this, so like a shadow. Click on a check icon, click on the circle, go back to the circle. You need to add some effect first. Add blurry effects to the circle and adjust the intensity. Okay, you can adjust the circle like this. Click on a check icon first, and now so you need to go to effects, colors, swipe until you find this option, cyber tube. So this is the effects. You need to adjust it to how you like it. Click on a check icon, and this is the final result. So this is how you can create the dark shadow glowing effects using Picsart. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.